accordance to what they prayed for. In accordance to what you asked Allah for. Going to the Islamic University of Medina. Allah allow me to get in. Now you gotta go and apply. Now you gotta learn Arabic. Now. And you can't just pray without doing anything physical. From that which benefits him in this life and in the hereafter. كما قال صلى الله عليه وسلم احرص على ما ينفعك واستعن بالله ولا تعجز فإن أصابك شيء فلا تقل لو أني فعلت كذا كان كذا وكذا ولكن قل قدر الله وما شاء فعله فإن لو تفتح عمل الشيطان فجمع صلى الله عليه وسلم بين الأمر بالحرص على الأمور النافعة في كل حال والاستعانة بالله وعدم الانقياد للعجز الذي هو الكسل الضار وبين الاستسلام للأمور الماضية النافذة ومشاهدة قضاء الله وقدره. Just like the Prophet ﷺ said, احرص على ما ينفعك. He said the following words: work hard upon that which benefits you. Be diligent, hustle, sweat, work hard. But not just work hard, but work hard upon that which helps you out. He then says, وَلَا تَعْجَزْ. Don't make yourself weak. Don't be a quitter. Don't be a naysayer. Don't be pessimistic. Don't be lazy and lethargic. Don't drag your feet going into the deed. Dragging your feet, I'll try it out. Inshallah. Let's give it a shot. Let's see. Maybe it'll work out. Go into it with, bi'idhnillah, what? It's going to work. Inshallah ta'ala. Bismillah, let me try my best. Versus you dragging your feet, let's see. Don't go into it saying, let's see. Go into it, bi'idhnillah, inshallah, it's going to work. And I'm going to try everything that I have in my skills and my power to make it work. And if it doesn't work, then that's a different story. If it doesn't work, but you never go into a thing with half. You go into it with all of it, or don't do it at all. He says, the Prophet ﷺ says, work hard upon that which helps you. وَاسْتَعِنْ بِاللَّهِ, and seek Allah's assistance. وَلَا تَعْجَزْ. Don't make yourself weak. And if something happens to you, if something befalls you, then don't say, I should have did it like this. I should have did it like that. لو أني فعلت كذا لكان كذا وكذا. I should have. I shouldn't have. But say, قدر الله وما شاء فعله. That's what Allah had decreed. That's what Allah wanted to happen, and that's exactly what happened. Why? The Prophet ﷺ says, فَإِنَّ لَوْ تَفْتَحُ عَمَلَ الشَّيْطَانِ. When you start saying if, it opens up the gateway for the devil. If, maybe I should, maybe, and then everything crashes on you. Everything falls apart. For the Prophet ﷺ in this hadith, he gave us two things: working hard for that which is a benefit, and seeking Allah's help. So submitting to the decree, looking at it, accepting it, versus not knowing which decree until you actually attempt to do it. وَجَعَلَ الْأُمُورَ قِسْمَيْنِ قِسْمًا يُمْكِنُ الْعَبْدُ السَّعْيُ فِي تَحْصِيلِهِ أَوْ تَحْصِيلِ مَا يُمْكِنُ مِنْهِ أو دفعه أو تخفيفه فهذا يبدي فيه العبد مجهوده ويستعين بمعبوده. And the Prophet made actions, deeds in two categories in this hadith. Two categories. Category number one is that which you have a hand on, that which you can actually touch, that which you can manipulate, that which you can do, that which you have the ability to do, And that is by trying your best, striving, giving it your all. He says, وَقِسْمًا لَا يُمْكِنُ فِيهِ ذَلِكَ فَهَذَا يَطْمَئِنُّ الْعَبْدُ وَيَرْضَى وَيُسَلِّمُ وَلَا رَيْبَ أَنَّ مُرَاعَةَ هَذَا الْأَصْلِ سَبَبٌ لِلسُّرُورِ وَزَوَالِ الْهَمِّ وَالْغَمِّ. And the second category is that which you have no hand in. It's out of your reach. It's up to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Once it's not meant for you, it's not decreed for you, it isn't written for you, submit. Give up. It's done. It's in the past. And of course, this is going to be subjective. Being tenacious versus being stubborn. Being obstinate versus trying hard. There comes a point in time in which collapse. But you don't know until you have actually given it your all and you've strived. So I want everybody, before we move forward, please think about yourself. Do you work hard? Do you give it your all? Do you go into the situation with optimism or with pessimism? Do you submit to it? Do you accept the fact that it wasn't meant to be? Or you keep kicking yourself and beating yourself and sucking your teeth. Oh man, what was I thinking? How was I so foolish? I can't believe I married such and such. Huh? You get divorced. Your ex-husband, your ex-wife said, what was I thinking? It was what? It was meant to be. Khalas. And there was good that came out of it, inshallah, but it was meant to be. And you have to submit, you have to accept it. Versus you continually beating yourself up and questioning why you did it. It's done, it's gone, it's over. So if you think about the stress and the depression that you have, or anxiety, oftentimes it's going to be felt in what? One of these two reasons. Not working hard for the present and the future, worrying about what happened and took place in the what? In the past. Not seeking Allah's help even though you work hard. Or seeking Allah's help and not what? Working hard. Goes hand in hand. Everyone understand this? And living in the what? The present. Ibnu Yomihi. Living in the present, not living and being stuck in the past. And not being caught up with regards to things that you have no knowledge of in the what? In the future. There's so many different ways we can take this. Our masjids, our homes, so many different ways. Enjoy what you have now. Huh? Reflect on the future. Reflect on the past. But live in the current state. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala surely knows best. We'll do the third step or the third reason bid'ah ta'ala in the next class. Inshallah, let's see if we have some time to take some questions, if possible. Jazakumullahu khairan.